Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting ready in game, log in and choose the character you normally use. Open the map and immediately set a waypoint to Golden Leaf Stables if the game shows it. This saves time and prevents backtracking. If there's no direct waypoint, make sure you have a nearby town waypoint or use a teleport NPC. Ride there and begin heading along marked roads. Once done, keep your speed steady and follow the map arrow to stay on course. Now you'll navigate the complex middle stretch by following visible landmarks and map cues. You should stick to main roads and farm lanes. These are faster and usually have fewer obstacles. Once done, watch for bridges and signposts that mark the correct turns. Make sure your camera angle and minimap are optimized so you can spot tight turns and NPCs that hint at the right path. If a quest marker appears, use it to fine-tune your approach toward the stable. You finish by entering the Golden Leaf Stables zone and locating the stable entrance or the NPC you need. Interact with doors or quest givers to complete entry. If the area won't load or gates stay closed, relog immediately and fast travel to a nearby waypoint, then approach again. This resolves most loading glitches. If problems continue, check server status and file a support ticket with your character name and exact location. That helps devs fix persistent bugs quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.